So this is going to be a quick video about the Sawzall screener sifter that I've been using for larva frass. We've put a lot of hours in on this thing, and it does occasionally break, and we've found some of the weak points, and we've tried to fix the weak points, but that also will reveal a new weak point. So we've had to change and upgrade some of the mechanics here, and just letting you know how it's functioning. We ran it yesterday, it ran great until the motor on the Sawzall started smoking, so that was less than great. So but we swapped it out, and I plan on, once the temperatures get a little bit warmer, tomorrow's supposed to be super frigid, once the temperatures warm up a little bit, I'll keep running it again until it breaks. So I'll show you what we're working with now, okay? All right, so we have upgraded the blade that goes into the saw and moves the sled. We've adjusted that design to a T. Prior to that, the blade was an L shape. I'll show you what's happened. This has happened twice now where it's broken. Here at the hole, weak point, and it has a lot of tension on it, a lot of stress on that metal part when it's moving hundreds and hundreds of pounds of larva and frass over tens of hours. So of course it's going to break. So to improve things, we went with as you can see, a thicker blade here. Yep, thicker blade. And also the T instead of the L shape, because you know this was, so that's how it went together before. And so we ran it yesterday and it worked pretty well. It might have worked too well because it wore the motor out a little bit, and so this is the older saw here. And then also we've gotten rid of the zip ties, and we've opted for this unstretchy nylon cord. And then the other thing that's great about this, as the temperature fluctuates, plastic bends and shifts and expands, so you can dial these in actually, which is great. Right now this should be okay. I don't know, I haven't run it yet. But yeah, so the helpful red arrow here indicate tighten those. We have, of course, the clamp on the trigger here. That's been working out really well, works better than the zip tie. So that's what we're working with now. It's we're getting there. Just fine-tuning all this stuff. So to get kind of an idea of how much I've put this thing through its paces, I've been inventorying the frass that we've sifted probably from late summer to fall, and it's been sitting in these big barrels just drying, and so I've been inventorying it. I'm up to 1,100 pounds now, so that's a difficult number to quantify, but it's been fitting about 100 pounds into a 27-gallon tote, and so I have 11 of those right now, and I could probably fill 2 more. So that's a lot of larva crap, and it's really nice dry stuff. Really good fine powder. Application should be easy. So I have some nice product right now I'm pretty proud of, and I have a lot of it. So coming into spring, we'll see what I can sell. So there's my frass update. Happy Frassberry. I'll never catch one. Anyway, thanks for watching.